My name is Jia Hui. I'm going to be the host together with Touch Cloud. Over here, I have Mr. Simon, CEO of Touch Cloud, to present you the Gotcha, the AI-based solution for cross-camera searching and tracking. And before we get started, we would like to bring your attention to Intel's notice and disclaimer as projected on the screen. We would also like to share with you Intel's global human rights principles. Without further ado, I'll pass this over to Mr. Simon. Welcome, Mr. Simon.
Hi, everyone. I'm Simon, the CEO and the founder of Touch Cloud. And today, I'm going to introduce an interesting image analytics solutions for you. And we won't talk about facial recognition, license plate recognition, intrusion detection, and flow counting. What I want to present to you today is a really hot and increasing demand in market. That is Touch Cloud's Gotcha solutions, the true AI-based cross-camera tracking solution. As an AI software company, we are quite focused on AI image analytics, especially in real-time applications. We develop our own products to fulfill the smart city market needs, which including transportation, retail, construction industry, and of course, government unit. And although our R&D team is in Taiwan, but we sell our products to Asia region. Currently, we have already had selling records in Japan, South Korea, Hong Kong, Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, and of course, my hometown, Taiwan. And our product agent, World Peace Industrial Group, has branch offices in almost all countries in Asia region. So if you have any product inquiry, you can contact us directly or through WPI members near you. And all of our products are developed based on Intel platform and OpenVINO toolkits. And we offer both pure software license and appliance, which bundle software and hardware together to our customers. Currently, we have 6 standard appliance products for 3 major industry applications, including people intrusion detection, unhelmet worker detection, people flow counting, and the crowd counting, and of course, transportation management, and our topic today, pedestrian cross-camera tracking. In other words, we are quite focused and experienced in people and vehicle-related detection jobs. Our products can be used in various scenarios, weather and light conditions, and even high-density, serious occluded situation. Of course, because we leverage deep learning technology, we always can make our products more accurate and better adaptability by continuous feeding images taken from real sites. When people talk about AI, everyone knows facial recognition, license plate recognition, people detection, and vehicle detection. However, all of them are for single one camera range. In the real scenario, we can easily find that there are always more than one camera being installed, depends on the field size. And the pedestrian cross-camera searching and the tracking becomes the new requirement that must be fulfilled, no matter for raising up customer service level or avoiding any risk. For example, if there is elderly or kids getting lost in amusement park, the only way to find them is to do the broadcast at service counter. But we can definitely use the more proactive approach to do it by searching the camera video footage. However, if you do it by eyes, the accuracy and the time spending can be a big problem. Fortunately, we are in AI era, and the search by computer vision is possible now. And here comes another use case is for shopping malls analytics. We all know that shopping malls manager always think about how to increase their selling revenue, while 80% of the revenue is from their VIP customers. So to understand their VIP customers is a must. Again, video footage give managers the materials to know more about their VIP customers' shopping behavior. And all they need to do is to do the video analytics to extract the useful information. All those scenarios can be done by using cross-camera searching and tracking. Even you want to monitor if your visitors go to the right place directly in your corporate buildings, it can be done now. Then here comes an important topic, important question. How to avoid privacy issues when user proceeding cross-camera searching and tracking. So by using our gacha solutions, users don't need to do facial recognition and can protect pedestrians' privacy efficiently. Okay, we all know the use scenarios of cross-camera searching and tracking now, and definitely understand how useful of it. So it's time to dig a little bit deeper to know more about the difficulty from technology perspective. Majorly,
yes, Simon.
there are four. Hey,
yeah, sorry to interrupt here. So understand that you mentioned this cross-camera searching is a very difficult topic. So
yes,
do you mind to give some real-life examples of what are the difficulties?
What difficulty? Actually, I'm trying to explain the difficulty in these slides. So actually, we have four difficulty in the real field. We will meet, customer will meet. The first one is about facial recognition. We all know that facial recognition is quite useful in various scenarios, but actually, but actually users will soon realize that facial recognition is not a good solution to resolve this kind of searching scenarios because of angle, distance, and occluded situations. Okay, so fortunately, facial recognition is not a must for our gacha solution. And the second issue is pedestrian always show with different angle and different postures in different cameras. And the third and fourth points are about closing change and different occluded situation. So all these issues make computer vision algorithm hard to match pedestrians' body features to identify are those image in different camera footage belong to the same pedestrian or not. Okay, so that's the four key difficulty point when we want to do the cross-camera search and the tracking in the real field. Okay.
Okay, great. So I believe, Simon, later you're gonna explain a little bit more on how the Dash Club has already helped to solve these challenges, right?
Yeah, correct. So because of the unavoidable difficulty when proceeding cross-camera searching and the tracking in the real field, so most of our competitors come out an alternative, which is detection-based solutions. And the principle is to detect various attributes of a person, and after combining all of them, find out the group of people that match these attribute combinations. But this kind of solutions collects all possible targets for users. However, it also asks users to spend extra effort to do the second round target searching in the founded group of people by labor. The question is, how should users do if the group size comes to, let's say 1,000 people. It's not good, not reasonable to ask users to find a specific target person in 1,000 people. So we try to resolve this kind of issue. We want to give user better experience, better solutions to do the precise search and tracking.
Yes, that's very true. I think when it comes to crowded areas, when there are a lot of people, cross-camera searching will become a very challenging, use case in this kind of search, right?
Correct. So to make everything easy, so our solutions, our gacha solutions only contain two major parts and executed by two major steps. So users can use pedestrian's body to do sampling and the tracking, which is the normal case for our customers. Okay, so the best thing is that our solutions can recognize the same pedestrian by body features, even in different camera angle, different posture, and occluded situations. Besides body features, user can also choose to do sampling and tracking by face. But different with other competitors, our solutions never ask users to do face pre-registration. However, face sampling and tracking is recommended to use only when most pedestrians wear similar attire. So to be mentioned is there is no any face image will be stored in our system because we don't use image pattern match method. Okay, this is quite different comparing to our competitors in the market. Okay,
that's very interesting. So you're talking about body sampling. So maybe you can explain just a little bit more on body sampling.
Okay, I will do that in the later page. Okay.
Sure.
And now I believe you all know why I said gacha can use for searching and tracking pedestrian in real field. Because gacha can conquer a lot of challenge, a lot of issues happens in real field. So although there are a lot of issues, including shooting angle change, environment change, occluded situation, and etc. We developed a very special algorithm to help users to conquer those unfavorable searching conditions. And the algorithm makes detailed tracking possible comparing to use pre-registered facial recognition, because facial recognition technology is quite limited by distance, while long distance is a normal case in real field to cover as much shooting range as possible. And remember the two execution steps of gacha I mentioned again and again. That's sampling first and do searching then. So yes. In the following 10 minutes, I will show you how to complete the searching and the tracking.
Okay, cool. I'm looking forward for your share.
Yeah, thank you. But before we jump into the screenshot demo, I would like to give you the step briefing so that you can understand our solution easier and better. So in the sampling step, what you need to do is to select an IP camera, select a video clip, and our system will detect all persons in the video automatically. So you can see the list of all those persons detected in the video. And now you can do the filter if there are too many persons by using attribute combination function. We try to narrow the possible target list, and finally, users can select their targets to proceed the next step. And in the tracking step, what you need to do is to select several IP cameras you want to do the search and the tracking. And the system will do the target detection in all those cameras automatically. And now users have searching result list, and the user can easily view it in eMap to better understand the tracking route. For users, the execution process is quite clear and straightforward, actually.
So Simon, do you have like a GUI to share with us on how this can be done so easily?
Sure. So I will show you in this page. So now I will show you how to do the cross-camera searching and the tracking by pedestrian's body features. This is our body features GUI. So users can assign IP camera, upload video clips, or even a pictures can do to do the body sampling. And normally users will get 1,000, even 10,000 sampling results from one camera or video clip. Hence, we design an efficient approach to help users to filter possible target quickly. We allow users to do target filter by attribute combination. The attributes we provide, including gender, age, hair type, body shape, upper wearing, lower wearing, bag, and accessory. And users can combine any attribute together to filter target. Okay, so if users want to filter target by closest color, it can do as well. We have the color filter function in our gacha system. So users doesn't need to designate the precise color code, but similar color code can do. Because there is always color deviation caused by environment conditions and the camera quality in the real field. So we need to give color filters some tolerance.
Okay, so these attributes will help to filter, your target easily. Is that what the attributes will use as?
Yes.
Okay, great.
Okay, so after user decides the searching target, no matter one or multiple, yes, we support the multiple target searching actually. Then what they need to do is to proceed the tracking step. So users can designate several IP cameras directly or upload video clips to search if the targets are in there. But we suggest the proper number of cameras for searching in the same time is 10 cameras and no more than 15 cameras because of the efficiency, the performance consideration. Okay, the searching time spent is around 10% of the actual total video footage time, but it highly depends on how many pedestrians are there in the videos. But I will say that 10% of the video time should be an average number, okay?
I think 10% is also pretty impressive, given that this is a very challenging search work to do.
Yes, correct. And here comes the result of target search. Gacha will show you where and when the target appears. So the image will also be shown for users' reference. Users can realize what was the target doing or interacting with other people at that time. This is quite important for us because we wish to let picture tell story instead of provide information text to users only, okay? And actually in the real case, sometimes you might find that there are many pedestrians wear similar attire and makes system hard to identify the different body features. If this is the case, you may consider to use face searching. Users don't need to do the pre-registration. Just like body sampling, what users need to do is assign IP camera, upload video clip, or even a picture to do the face sampling step. After users decide the searching target, no matter one or multiple targets, then they can proceed the tracking step, just like the body one. And here comes the result of target search. Gotcha will show you where and when do the targets appears. Again, let picture tells story instead of information text only.
So Simon, do you mind I just interrupt you a little bit just to clarify that when you do a search, are you able to do multiple face searches as well? Multiple people to search?
Yes, we can do the multiple, no matter by face or by body search. But I would like to mention again, if we want to search more face or more person you want to search and the tracking, then more computing
time taken.
power
Yes.
you will need.
Okay, makes sense. Yes, definitely.
So to make user to track the target easier, I think our Gacha also provides the EMAP display mode. And this is quite important because we cannot only provide customer the GUI, but also we need to provide a easier mode to display the searching result. Okay, so what users need to do is to upload the map image, drag and drop the camera icon at the proper locations. And of course, the camera icons are generated automatically by system, and all of them are the cameras in local LAN and auto discovered by Gacha. Okay.
I love this feature.
Thank you. And then system will show you the appear sequence of the targets in different camera. Users can also view the images of the target in specific camera footage in this page. So another good news for you is that all the result information can be passed to legacy system by RESTful API. In summary, users can get precise searching and the tracking result with just few steps in Gacha. And I promise you that everything is easy and time-saving by using Gacha. Okay, here I would like to give you a success story. And one of our shopping mall customers use Gacha to do the lost kids and the elderly searching. They don't need to do the traditional broadcast approach anymore, and they take proactive approach and increase the customer satisfaction level sharply. The result shows that these large shopping malls save 90% time for searching job. And I believe your customers can also enjoy the fruitful result if they adopt Gacha. Yeah, this is a very good success story, yeah, actually. And before we wrap up the webinar, I think I would like to give you 3 key information takeaway. And the first one, Gacha can not only do the attribute combination search, but also the precise search for specific persons in different IP cameras. This is also our key differentiation to the competitors in the market. And secondly, if face tracking has to be used in the field, we don't use pre-registration facial recognition and never invades of privacy. And the last one, by uploading EMAP by user, Gacha shows the tracked path of specific persons. Users can trace someone easier. And that's the presentation or the information I would like to give you. And I hope you enjoy today's sessions and have a nice day.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, Simon.